In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign into Google Meet easily, step by step. To get started, open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. You can use Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you normally use. Once your browser is open, go to the Google Meet website. This will take you to the Google Meet landing page, where you can access meetings and account options. When the page loads, look for the Sign In button. If you are not already logged into your Google account, click Sign In to begin. This is the first important step, because Google Meet uses your Google account to give you access to meetings, scheduling tools, and other features. Next, enter your Google account email address. This could be your Gmail address or another email connected to your Google account. After typing it in, click Next to continue. Make sure the email is entered correctly so you can move through the sign-in process without delays. After that, you'll be asked to enter your password. Type your password carefully, then click Next again. If you're on a personal device, you may choose to stay signed in for easier access later. If you're using a shared or public device, it's better to sign in only for that session and log out when you're done to protect your account. In some cases, Google may ask you to verify your identity. If that happens, complete the two-step verification process as prompted. This might involve approving a sign-in request on another device, entering a code, or using another verification method you've already set up. This extra layer of security helps keep your account safe. Once you've completed the sign-in process, you'll be inside Google Meet and ready to use it. From there, you can create a new meeting, join an existing meeting, or manage your scheduled meetings if you already have events connected to your account. The main dashboard is designed to make these options easy to find. If you run into any issues, double check that you entered the correct email and password, and make sure your internet connection is stable. Also, if the page doesn't load properly, refreshing the browser can sometimes help. That's all it takes to sign in to Google Meet. Once you're logged in, you'll be ready to start or join meetings quickly and easily. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.